Good morning, everyone. I'm Li from Jiangsu Wheatstone China. All the motors, before delivering to the customer, we must carry out a VT test. Today, I will show you our test equipment for the IP69K special motors for you. Please follow me. You can say this equipment is 9K 3-water test equipment. This will display the power supply, the USB connect to the upper computer, the emergency stop button, the speed control button to control the motor, the platform to place the motor on it, the model 0, 30, 60, and 90 angles. The temperature range is from 10 to 85 degrees. The high pressure from 80 bar to 100 bar